Hey guys, welcome back to our Classic Restoration Challenge. I'm Jason Woodworth.
My name's Evan Cross. Welcome to episode 4.
This is the reveal.
Something doesn't feel right about this, does it?
No, I don't like it. Let's try something else.
Let's do it. Well, that's better.
We've done it. We've completed our 2009 Cayenne S Classic Restoration Challenge build. We're up here in Meyer Canyon. Let's sit around the fire and talk about the build.
Let's do it. So let's go back to July. Last month, had a bit of a minor setback. We're a little concerned with, what had happened. It was a day off for me. I get a phone call from Jason.
Bad news. Cayenne's parked on the street. Delivery van took a corner much too fast and decided to smush into the driver's quarter panel of the Cayenne. Out
front of the dealership there. Always concerning, especially with some of the items we put on the vehicle that we've spent a lot of time sourcing from different vendors, which a lot of these were special order, especially on a vehicle of this age as well too, where cost of replacement parts versus cost of the vehicle, which that all comes into consideration when an insurance company is going to look to replace some of those items. Very disappointing story, but I think we powered through and we were able to figure it out.
Yeah, I think not only cost, but some of the customization. Thankfully, the one thing that was the saving grace of that incident was the bumpers. I mean, if we didn't have those steel bumpers fabbed for us, the car would have been written off. It was such a hard hit to that quarter panel. It pushed the wheel forward into the rocker, then all the suspension. If we didn't have those bumpers made, the car would have been done.
Yeah.
So just goes to show that the quality of build from the guys at Jekyll Fab, really it saved our project, which is why we're here today.
A big shout out to Jekyll Fab. We thought we were getting these custom designed bumpers to protect our vehicle against rock hits and shale, etc. here in Kelowna, but its first test was against another vehicle.
A delivery van.
And luckily, the bumpers did their job, made a large kind of potential accident somewhat minimal, other than some suspension components. Luckily, again, we did have CSN Collision, one of our main sponsors, who assisted, with some of the claim portion, getting our Cayenne fixed very quickly for us, so we can be out here today shooting this awesome reveal video. And VPS or Protex now for redoing the paint protection film on that back bumper there. Let's get into some of the other stuff that we've kind of worked through as well too. I know we've kind of talked about how excited we were to build this Cayenne. I think in every single video that's all we talk about, how excited we were. But it's crazy to think that we're finally here. It's all done.
I think the team that we've had support us, in the shop, the parts support with the parts department, the techs coming in, weekends, staying late, working with us in the shop. I think the community around the build has been of the funnest things of it, bringing everybody together, having a good laugh, building something that clearly looks outstanding out here in the wilderness. And now we're out here to enjoy it, which is it's an awesome experience.
And that's, I think what you really touched on there is enjoying the Cayenne. That's kind of being the main thing of this project, is that we wanted to build something that we're actually going to use, something that we could take advantage of the Okanagan with. We could drive and experience the Okanagan with a Porsche and do everything we wanted to do, from being out in the middle of nowhere, top of a mountain, hauling bikes,
whatever,
it
right? Can do anything.
So very, very exciting that we can experience what we've put so much time and energy into. One thing that we're very passionate about is that we did build our Cayenne to be very purpose-built. It's not going to win any beauty pageants. It's got scratches, it's got dents, it's got scrapes. We've done our best to mitigate that with the paint protection film, but the main goal of our build was something that is purpose-built. Big gnarly steel bumpers, big off-road tires, gnarly looking, solid kind of Porsche style wheels, the roof rack as well too, and some of the off-road lighting. Again, we have used this vehicle, we have thoroughly enjoyed it as well too, but that has also come with some bumps and bruises along the way, but which I think has also given it its own character as well. And despite some of these small blemishes. I think it's something that we're still very proud of and something that we know we can enjoy. Again, thank you everyone for tuning in. It's been exciting to have you all here and follow us on our journey. Thank you to our team. Thank you to our sponsors. And thank you, Jason.
Thank you, Evan.
Enjoyed the ride up until this point and what we've kind of been able to create and bring our dream to life.
It's been a great experience. Stay tuned. Next up, we're getting it ready to ship out to Toronto to the Experience Center for the final Classic Restoration Challenge and Cars and Coffee. So stay tuned.
We will have one final video for everyone who's tuned in thus far. That'll be our Into the Wild video, where we get to capture some of the beautiful cinematic landscape, off-road experiences, adventures, activities that the Okanagan has to offer, and we'll take you along with us. See you soon.